Hello everyone, we are from Everest IS Academy. Today we'll be discussing about some important bird that is critically endangered bird. That is great Indian bustard. It is one of the heaviest flying birds found mainly in Indian subcontinent. They are mainly found in states of India like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. We see the L shape of habitat in the states of India. Bustards generally favor flat open landscapes with minimum visual obstruction and disturbance, therefore adapt well in grasslands. Grasslands are such ecosystem which are in transit state of forest and desert ecosystem. We see some difference between males and females of this great Indian bustard. Males and females generally grow to same height and weight, but we have large black crown and black band across their breast. A male great Indian bustard, there is presence of black band across their breast and we see a larger black crown on their head. And that is female great Indian bustard, we see a smaller black crown and absence of black band on their breast. Let's see the status and the threats of this critically endangered bird. It is enlisted under critically endangered bird under IUCN. What are the threats of this critically endangered bird are uncontrolled use of pesticides, insecticides by farmers in their farms has badly hit their food habitat. And second one is vanishing grasslands and third one is attacked by dogs and fox. What are the conservation steps taken by government? There are three conservation steps, important steps taken by government are by Ministry of Environment, Health, Forest and Climate Change and Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun is involved in this conservation of this bird. The ministry has allotted special fund to set up a incubation and chick rearing center in Jaisalmer. The Wildlife Institute of India has identified Sorsen Wildlife Sanctuary in Rajasthan as a site of most favorable for their rearing. Challenges faced by the government for this critically endangered bird is a female lays only once in 1 to 2 years. The chick survival rate is only 60 to 70 percentage. So the high adult mortality remains one of the challenges for the government. One of these mature and can be produced offspring, there must be enough habitats to support their growth. So readying the necessary habitat will be a great challenge for the government. The poor bird has poor frontal vision which restrict spotting high voltage power lines for them. So these are the three challenges faced by the government. So thank you.